Here we are, this is Emma's new car. This is going to be our second tow car. So we're just going to go and try and clean up the tow ball and then work out how to fit it. So I'm sat out in the garden. We have just picked up Emma's new car. It's the Nissan X-Trail, and we used the Caravan and Motorhome Club discount, so got nearly £8,000 off. However, we are going to Wellington Country Park for a trip in a minute. Tow bar's come. It's detachable. It's actually a Blink, even though we've got a Nissan on the end, and we've got paint on the ball. Being that we've got Alco hitch, we need to get rid of that paint. We don't want the paint to foul the pads in the Alco hitch. So, being a BQ, got some attachments for my drill and got some wet and dry paper, so I'm gonna give that a go now. I've not smoothed it completely. I'll give it a little wipe in a bit, but from what I've been told, it's better to have your balls rough as opposed to perfectly smooth, because again, it gives the pads in the Alco something to grip. So here we are, we're sat on the floor at the back. So we've got a removable tow hitch on this X-Trail. Got the 13-pin socket here. There's an attachment for the breakaway cable, and then I believe, I'm just feeling at the moment, up here, there we go, there's a little plastic cover for the receiver, and this in there like that, and we're on. And there's our lovely polished sanded ball. What mirrors did we get? Apparently EM UK are some of the best. Couldn't get them for my Volvo, but we've got some for here. However, I am really shocked. And this is what I'm shocked about. This is the bag they come in. It's huge. Like, I don't get it. But let's see if they fit.